Good, beautiful day, people. My name's Aisling. If you didn't know, now you know. Today is the day before I start my last ever first day of college, and it is snowing right now, as you can see, but it isn't sticking at all because the ground is wet from raining earlier. So the plan for today is to have a nice chill day. I had breakfast and I didn't do much else. I want to make another jumper. I've been using my Cricut and my Cricut heat press and making lots of jumpers because why not? And later on I'm going to work out and have like a bit of a self-care night before I start college again, because this is my final year of college. I am studying communications and creative media, so I'm doing graphic design, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so it's my final year, so you know, big year. I just changed into my cozy jumper because I'm going to do some crafts. I am going to do something on this black jumper. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I'm going to get to picking a design, making it. I have 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 on in the background, you know, just like a nice movie that I've seen like a billion times that I can just like throw on. So I think I have decided on this design. So it says 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝘀𝗀𝗀, and then it has Paris, and then it has the YSL. Or I don't know whether I should do this one, which I think is pretty cool. I don't know if you can see that, but the like S is falling off, and then maybe like YSL on the back. I don't know, you'll see when it's being made and made. Okay, I've got it cut out. Now time to read it and press it on. So here's the front and here's the back. And here's it finished and I put it on. This is the most measly looking dinner ever, but I'm not really hungry. So I made a chicken burger, or no, a turkey burger. And then I got some tea and some chocolate to finish the end of Wild Child. And then I'm going to clean my room and get my desk area all tidy and ready for tomorrow. So it's been a little while. While I was decluttering my room, put my degree in a frame because it's just been sitting somewhere since I got it before Christmas. I have put my name on towels, and then I got sucked into like a digital detox of my phone and like decluttering, not detox, yeah, decluttering, where I literally went through all my pictures, apps, like everything, and I deleted literally like probably like 4,000 photos, and I deleted a ton of apps that I don't use anymore. As you can see, everything is on my bed from clearing my desk, and I just have to put this away when it cools down. And then I'm going to go and get ready to take a bath once I have my room fully cleaned, be ready to get out of the bath and get straight into bed and have like a nice early night. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to clearing all of that mess that's on my bed and clean the rest of my room, get ready for a bath. I'm so excited. So I was just putting these away, and then I said might as well show them what I made on Cricut. So the first one, this was like an old crew neck that I had, and had like a tan stain down here from one time when I was going out. So I cropped it and I did New Balance. And I just bought these ones in Dunn's because that's the only place open to buy clothes at the minute. So I got these the other day, and then I have these designs and I love them. My room is all clean, and now I'm ready to go for a nice bath. And I am finished in the bath. I had such a nice bath. I watched Superstore. It's kind of like, it's how I think The Office would go down if it was made now. Like they water down all the jokes so they're like not as offensive, and then they like say something but then they like pull back and not really say anything offensive. But yeah, it's really good. I started watching it like a few days ago. I just like randomly put it on in the background, and then I was like, oh, it's actually kind of good. So that's what I watched. I watched like 2 episodes, but it was really nice. And anyways, so now I'm going to go make a cup of tea and probably get something to eat because I don't even know what time it is. It is 8:30. So I'll probably go, yeah, get something to eat, get a cup of tea, and then put a movie on while I do some nice like gratitude, chill out, get into bed, and then get up because it's the first day of college tomorrow. I'm not looking forward to it, but anyways.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass bray.
I'm tired. Woo. Let's get the day started. My workout's done. I'm gonna go take a quick body shower and then get set up to start my first class at 10. So I'm just quickly going to do just like a little bit of makeup and then I am going to film a reel, I think. Then it should be time for class to start.
Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me.
I'm all ready for the day and I'm going to go get, I'm cutting it very close on time, but I think, should I just wait? I think I'll go and make a smoothie. No, iced coffee, no. I don't know. Okay, got my coffee and I'm logging on to everything. I don't even know what this first class is called. Here we go again. Nothing's coming up, so I'm gonna sort this out and I'll talk to you after this class is finished, if we finish early, or after my next class at 12. Yeah, so our first class is done. It actually ran late, but now we have our group project class, so that's gonna be on. Oh, it says it doesn't start at 1:15. It doesn't start at 1:15, so that means he actually didn't run late and we actually have like another 10 minutes to just chill out. But I'm going to edit the TikTok that I made then now in this 10 minutes, I think, because I'll probably get it done. Okay, my first two classes of the day are finito, thank goodness, and now I have an hour break, well like 40 minutes because, no, 50 minutes because my lecturer didn't get round to our group until like the end, so we stayed a few minutes later. But now I'm going to go and make some food because I didn't have breakfast yet. All I had to drink was that iced coffee, and eat that and edit the TikTok I made earlier and maybe post the reel that I'm gonna post today. I'm trying to post every day a reel one day and then a post and a reel and a post on Instagram, and then just post whatever I make on TikTok like whenever. So that's the plan. Oh no, my battery's flashing, so I'm gonna charge that while I make food. It is now 12:27, so I have like half an hour to chill, so I think I'm gonna watch a YouTube video while I'm eating. Trying to go before hopefully it gets busy. It's still probably gonna be busy. I don't think it's ever, but here we go again. So we actually ended class like really early, we only had like an hour instead of 2 hours, which is good, but we have something to do for him. We have to set up like a blog and send him the link, so I'm going to do that right now, so I just get that like and out of the way, and then I'm going to set up my Notion with all my college subjects now that I have like a list of them all, and put in any assignments that now I know that I have to do, so put in the dates for all them and everything like that. So I've got all my classes in my Notion, so I have 5 classes this year for the semester. So I'm going to go back to the first page and I am going to tick off Notion classes. So I had to go and drop a photo book with one of my photography clients that I took pictures for a while back. She wasn't there, so it was all like socially distanced and all that, but yes, that's why I look a bit different, because I got changed into warm clothes for going outside because it's absolutely freezing tonight. So I'm gonna make another cup of tea because it's actually been like, I don't know, like 3 hours since we last chatted, so I think that's on the agenda. Okay, so I did some work on my website. I didn't bother showing any of it because I'm just still working on it and I keep doing things and then not being happy with what I do. I don't know, I'm being way too picky with it. But anyways, with that being said, I am going to end the video here because for the rest of the night I'm literally going to be working on my website. It's already 8 o'clock and I plan on going to bed early tonight because tomorrow I have a 9 AM. So whether it is morning, noon or night, I hope that you are having an amazing day, and just remember that you are so loved and you are so beautiful, and I will see you